guys, it's me again, CandiceCattin. This time guys, i-share ko sa inyo na video to my travel. We are going to Cornol, Jura, Switzerland. It's a totally a nature place. It's a countryside nature place here in Switzerland. So let's go. Jura is the place of the horse. This place we're going to Cornol, so we're gonna stay in a hotel farm. So let's stick around there. Let's see you around. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Cornol. Dito na tayo sa hotel. But it's not totally a modern hotel or social na hotel. This is a farm hotel. We are in a province in Switzerland. So I will show you. And they have a cute dog. And this is their dog. Is welcoming me. Hello. You're in my vlog. Say hi. Say hi. This is the dog here in farm local. This is the doggy where we're staying in the hotel. Yoo-hoo! Say hi! What's your name?
What's your name?
They're so big! You like my video? Oh, okay, we will pack up first. Oh, this is a cute dog. Let's go inside. This is it's a simple hotel here in the countryside of Cornol. Bonsoir.
Monsieur et Madame.
Hello guys, it's me CandiceCattin again. Now to my channel na i-share ko sa inyo ay ito yung farm hotel na in-stay namin ngayon. So plan ko ngayon while my husband is into his work, mag-ikot-ikot tayo sa farm nila. There. Nandito tayo sa Cornol. Cornol, Jura. So let's go around guys. Ang problema ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan yung entrance nila, saan yung daanan nila papunta sa farm nila. Let's see around here. Sa area na to, meron silang cat. Meow. Hi. Hello. How are you? Didn't like me. He's coming. Oh. Oh. Yeah. There's a chicken. Oh, may mga kambing. Meow. 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 Yan yung pusa. Hello. Say hi. What's your name? Meow. What do you want? Oh, sorry. Okay. So, I don't know. I will ask where's the entrance going to walk. Dito tayo sa area nila kung saan yung lahat ng gamit sa farm. Then, yung mga pagkain ng baka, kabayo. So, let's go around. Oh, look at here. The baka is here. Let's go inside. Okay, papasok tayo dito. Titingnan natin yung mga alaga nilang baka. There. Ayan oh, kumakain. Look at all. Mo. Okay. Hi. He's takot. So much. you following me? Okay, let's go to the outside. Punta tayo sa labas. Andito naman yung kabayo nila. Small kabayo. It's a pony. Hello. Oh, it's a pony. Hi. Hello. So cute. This one is a horse. Come here. Hello. Oh, you come. Hi. I just say hi. Hello. Oh, look at that. Oh. Look to the camera. Tumingin siya sa camera. And this is the other one. May isa dito. Hi. Pony. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Yeah. Let's take a walk. Want to walk with me? Lawak ng farm nila. Laki. May pusa andun. Okay. I don't know, but there is no way. It's there. I think nandito yata yung ano. Ow! Hi! We got to... Come! Hello! What's your name? Quinoa and Tango. Oh, dear donkey. Hi! Hello! Look at them. Hello! Oh my gosh, it's a donkey. Okay, and here is another. It's dito naman may. Bye bye. Look at your ear. Can I touch your ear? Yeah. Hi, goat.
You imitate better than me.
Look at the chicken. Oh my gosh, the chicken is so big. The toe or the...
Oh, so beautiful this one. Look at that, the rooster, my love.
Oh, is the lalaki?
Yes, I think. Wow, so cute.
Where's this chicken though? It does just look like a... We don't have a food. Yeah, I think they don't understand my sound because it's in Philippine sound only. It's not Switzerland.
Your Filipino accent.
It's not.
It's native.
It's not a Philippine. It's a Philippine accent. It's not a Switzerland accent.
Rooster is big, my love.
Yeah, too big.
It's a big one, my love, of the fight. Of the fight is the king, my love. Look at that.
Because we have the food here.
My love, this is
This is the morning here in Cornol. We're walking around here in the apple farm. There, there's no more so much apple. Ang liliit na ng mga apple. Ang liit. Is this apple too? It's a ano na no? It's about to... Oh, the baka's alone. Look, a Dalmatian baka. Dalmatian.
no, my... It's not a vaca, I think it's a dog.
Oh, it looks like it's not a baka. No, there's no horn.
Huh? Are you sure?
Look at this tree. So yellow. Oh, it's a chestnut?
Nuts.
Oh, chestnut.
No, it's not chestnut.
What's that?
It's the nuts.
Ah, it's the
The
nut.
real nuts. Look at that.
That you need to like that.
Yes.
Hazelnut? Hazelnut. It's so hard.
It's a real nut.
Yeah, that's the one in the... No, it's a baka middle. Is your quinoa?
Are you quinoa?
Is your quinoa?
Are you quinoa?
Oh,
And tango?
tango. They're a donkey, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
they are donkey.
You can see it to
They
the...
are pony. They are pony or donkey?
No, they're donkey because the
Ah,
ear.
donkey, we can see the air, yes, of course.
Donkey, donkey.
Yeah.
This is Petit Prince and Frambois. It's there's the pony. Hello. Hi. Can you say hi? Pony, pony. In this area, the cow is here. Look at that.
Wow, beautiful baka.
There's all the cow here. You can see around.
And after il accélère, high speed.
Hi. Hi. You ate good? Hello. Yay. There, eat. Eat. So cute. Ma. Yay, they're so happy. You're all eating. Oh, the horse is there. This horse is know how to take a selfie. Look at here. Look, 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 look. Say hi.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Say hi. Ah. Oh my god, this is beautiful.